Hello,
Hello.
I'm only here for questions. Do you have a question?
I did have a quick one. Do you want us to include procedures for how these tests are run on our unknown notes or in the final report?
That's a good question, but no, you do not need to discuss the procedure. You just need to tell me the name of the test. So if you
Okay.
say I ran the gram stain, I know what procedures were done because I know
Okay.
the gram stain.
And then should we put in any blurb in our unknown reports that says that we didn't run the test? Just I don't know if that's
You mean
necessary.
it was online?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put that if you want. It's not a big deal. It's
Okay.
obvious. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
That's all I have.
All right. Good.
I have a question. So on the unknown notes, if I am including the procedures that, can I use the unknown notes and the report as one thing? Like, could it be the same?
I'm not sure what you're asking. Can you repeat that?
Um, could my unknown notes be same as the unknown report?
Oh, yeah, they can be. If you make your unknown notes pages very formal, it can be the same as the report.
Okay,
But the unknown notes page does not need to be formal.
okay, because I'm trying to kind of make it in a way so I can use it for both as
Yeah,
manual.
you can use it for both. And I guess some people like doing that. And that way they only do one and then they submit your unknown notes for the unknown report. Realize that the unknown report does have a few areas that the unknown notes do not need.
Yeah.
Okay.
And my
You got to
other,
give some references for the report. That's not needed in the unknown notes. You need to have a paragraph discussing the bacteria you identify in your report. You don't need that for your unknown notes. There's a few other differences too, but they're all minor.
okay, and then my other question is, I think you ran a hemolysis test for my bacteria. And
Uh-huh.
can you help me? Can you let me know the result of that? Because I did not get a full picture for that.
Yeah, I only sent you a cutout. If you want me to send you the full picture, it'd be smaller than the cutout, if that's what you're asking.
Yeah, and then can you help me if it's with that result? Is that I could not? Is that positive or negative?
Hemolysis isn't positive or
I
negative.
mean, alpha or beta, or it says A or negative on the list,
Um,
or B.
I'm not willing to read the test for you if that's what you're asking me to do.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
I will help you read it, but I'm not going to read it for you.
Okay.
Okay, so let me see if I can call that up. I think I've got that here. Are you the only one here?
Yeah,
Okay, then I
and
can
I'm
show you the
glad.
results. Although I don't have any grade on this, so I don't think it's a big idea, but you're the only one here. So let me go ahead and show that. And
And I do have a couple of other questions with
I
my
think that's in my thumb drive. Just a minute. Let me get my thumb drive in here. Oh, wrong one. All right, you can blow it up, you know.
I
There you go. So you're gonna have to read it because like I said, I'll help you read it. You wanna look and see
see
how
that
the blood is to the bacteria.
it looks dark. It's
Okay,
dark red. So does that mean it's alpha?
You tell me. Like I said, I'm not going to help you read it, but I will. I mean, I'm not going to read it for you, but I will help you read it.
Because per my understanding, I thought when it was dark red on the inside, the cells are lysed.
Okay. So you do see some darkening here,
Yeah.
and right there may or may not be a little bit of darkening around those cells. Okay. There may be a little bit of darkening, there may not be.
So what does that mean? Is it like alpha or negative? It could be alpha or negative. I'm just confused with this.
Well, you can't split alpha and negative from the chart. Some of them even say alpha or negative. So where do I have that? See if I have it here.
And what is the probability of the test result that I got that it could be not correct? Because I'm trying to, the options I have, what's throwing me off is a PR lactose test because my result is negative. But from the options I have, the gelatin test should be positive, but my gelatin test is negative, so is the PR lactose. So I'm not able to.
You're not able to identify it. Let me start with the hemolysis.
Okay.
Okay. So I think you said it's either alpha or negative, and all of these are all alpha or negative. So those are possibilities. And we could call that one a possibility too. And that one a possibility for sure. And that one a possibility.
I can't see your
And
screen.
I would include these two too.
I cannot see your screen. I mean, I'm not
Oh,
sure.
I'm sorry. Let me
What
show
are you
you the
referring
screen.
to?
Just a minute. I thought I was showing the screen. There we go.
Yeah.
So on the chart,
Uh-huh.
all the highlighted ones fit your hemolysis.
Yes.
Okay. Now I don't know what your other test results were. You said gelatin was positive?
No, gelatin was negative and PR lactose was negative, and that's
Hold
where
it,
I'm
hold it,
getting,
hold it. And it is gram positive. Let me check that.
you can check it.
No, is it gram positive?
Yes,
You tell me.
it's a gram positive
Okay,
caucus.
so it's down here. So you said it's gelatin negative, is that right?
Yeah. Unless I'm not interpreting the results correctly, but the pictures you have sent me, it's negative.
Okay, and what did you say? PR negative?
Yeah.
PR lactose negative?
PR lactose negative, and then there's just that V variable. So I'm like super confused because to me,
Well, that doesn't make sense.
yeah,
Gelatin hydrolysis and the PR lactose, they don't overlap. So something is wrong in one of them or the other.
Can you like help me look over the pictures you've sent me? And that's why I'm confused because I'm like, I can narrow it down. It's
Well,
all.
these came on the first one.
Yes, I know. If you can look at what you send me, I have a picture of that.
Just a minute.
That's where I'm like, the way you showed me yesterday was really, or Tuesday was really good, but I was trying to narrow it down and I cannot figure this out.
Obviously, one of your tests is wrong because, like I said, the PR lactose cannot be negative and the gelatin hydrolysis also negative. if
Yeah.
it's a gram-positive cell.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
where I'm
Well,
getting lost.
one of those tests has to be wrong. That I
Okay.
can tell you. I
Okay,
don't,
thank
let me shut that down. And I don't need that any further. Probably don't need that. Well, let's go ahead and leave it up for the time being. Now, where do I have? I think it's here. There it is.
So mine is
Oh, I
number,
sent you this picture.
yeah. So it's number 11. Mine is number 11, and then I see clusters. And then the bottom result is negative, right? For gelatin.
Why is that negative?
Because it's not gel, it's not hardened, like it's liquidy.
And why would that be negative?
Because I thought that if it's hardened, then it's positive, and if it's not, then it's negative.
You should look up the gelatin test. And then the PR lactose, you're 11.
Yeah, which
Okay.
did not change the color.
Uh-huh. Okay. So I see the problem and I gave you a suggestion. I think you should read the gelatin test.
Okay, so I should be positive then. And
You're
that's
just
all.
making an answer, and I think you should understand the test. Because obviously you don't understand the test.
Okay.
All right. Anything else I can help you with?
No. So
Okay.
thank you for letting me know, because I didn't know what I was doing wrong.
All right.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you. Bye.
All right.